Welcome to Wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. When a certain number is doubled, then which of the following statements is true? So first of all, let us assume any number x. So let us write it. Let us take an example of a number and let that number be x. Therefore, we can say that the cube of that number will be equal to x cube, x to the power 3. Now, what we have to do is we have to double it. So, let's double it. That is, if the number is x, then the twice of its number will be 2x. Now, cube of this number 2x, cube of 2x will be equal to 2x to the power 3, that is equal to 2 to the power 3 and x to the power 3, and 2 to the power 3 is 8. So 8x cube is the cube of 2x. Therefore, we can say that cube of 2x is 8x cube. Now, let us find a relation that cube of 2x is equal to 8 times cube of the given number, and the given number is x. So, the cube of given number is x cube. Therefore, we get a relation as cube of 2x is equal to 8 times cube of the given number. So, let us check the option. Option D is its cube is 8 times the cube of given number. This is what we have proved just now. So, our answer is option D.